My bad. Does anyone drink a small coffee?
Yeah, of course. You know what? Let me get a motherfucking cup or two. I told that bitch to fuck up cause I'm lovable. I don't really care cause I don't fuck with you. I've been out here moving, niggas know they got a bust or two,
Maybe smoke me up a blunt or two. Ain't nobody fuck with me, they know that I'ma come for you. Kinda come down with the tech now, let it ring down from the block. Ain't nobody come and get us. Listen to the way that we spew, understand we do it for you. We do it for us, we do it for love. We do it for trust, we do it to bust that. And every motherfucker we above.
We do this shit for real. You motherfuckers shit and squeal. Get that shit. Forget that shit. That's enough of the games, and that's enough for the jokes. Man, I ain't playing with range, man, I ain't playing no round. I ain't playing with brains. I've been up on this shit dope, so it's slipping your veins. I said
I ain't playing with brains. I be the king of the reins. Motherfuckers in pain when they get to see me spitting straight off of the brain. I be laying these insane bars. Everybody deranged in the crowd, waiting for the sound. Ain't nobody understand the way that we ain't coming down. Ow, ow, ow. When they see me on the motherfucking block at your torso and 4 hoes surround me. Ain't nobody could ever doubt me. We too astounding. These motherfuckers all about me. When they see me, they don't understand the way that we fucking rhyming, son. I am the one, number one, when I'm gonna bang.
It's like a what you do? A bum bum.
Hey,
like a what? Bum. Like a damn baby, we are doing no hands. I'm gonna bust it when the face is gonna do it in hands. I said I love it, baby. No, I never busted a lot. Baby, suck my cock.
Ooh, I say so to get your hands on my pants. Everybody love me when I'm doing the dance. Understand that I'll keep moving my hands. Said, look, mom, no hands. I took a couple hands on. I'm too high for this. I need a podiatrist. My feet aren't even below me anymore. I don't know what I'm saying. It's legging, but every fucking who's at the door? Yo, I think your food's here. It's kind of clear. Somebody is at the door now. Slinging 4 pounds. I should try to get that.
Well, I guess motherfucker, there's somebody at the door. I ain't really trying to order this shit. I want some more. I'ma go get some fish and some dip. I get no dams. I've been out here trying to move with my clan. We making plans. If you really wanna go to the top, we making facts. But I really don't go at the top. I'm kinda whack.
That was the of us, neighbor.
Oh wow.
Like, shut up. Not your food.